Original fictional learning story. Characters and events are imaginary. Created with AI-assisted tools for educational storytelling. Have you ever looked at a small pile of clean clothes and wondered where to begin? Farhan did. One Saturday morning, he found clean socks, shirts, towels, and shorts on a mat in his room. They were dry and ready to be put away, but they were all mixed together. Farhan wanted to help. He did not touch the washing machine, detergent, iron, or any grown-up task. Instead, he chose a safe small job, sorting clean, dry clothes on the mat. His mother said, "A big pile can feel easier when we choose one kind of item first." Farhan looked carefully. First he found 2 blue socks. He held them side by side. Were they the same size? Were they both blue? Yes. He placed them together. Next he found a green sock and an orange sock. They were not a pair. Farhan did not force them together. He put them in a small fine leather basket and kept sorting. Farhan's first helpful discovery was this: matching means looking for 2 items that really belong together. Then he chose shirts. He picked up one small blue shirt and laid it flat. He put another shirt beside it. Soon he had a shirt group, a shorts group, a towel group, and a sock group. The mat looked less busy already. Farhan wanted to fold everything quickly. He began to fold a large shirt, but the sleeves slipped and the shirt became tangled. Farhan stopped. He did not feel bad. He said, "This one is too tricky for me." His mother smiled. Asking for help is a strong choice. She showed Farhan one easy job: folding a small hand towel in half, then in half again. Farhan tried slowly. He pressed the corners together gently. His towel made a neat rectangle. Farhan's second helpful discovery was this: choose a small safe step, and ask a grown-up when a job is too difficult. Farhan sorted the clean clothes into baskets. Socks went together. Shirts went together. Towels went together. He kept the unmatched sock in its own small place so it would not get lost. Then he checked the floor and mat. Were any clothes left behind? No. His cousin Ria came into the room. "How did you make the pile so neat?" she asked. Farhan showed her his plan. First choose one kind. Next match carefully. Then put each group in a basket. If a task is too hard, ask for help. Ria found a pair of yellow socks. She held them up beside each other. "A match," she said. Together, they made a small towel stack. Farhan did not tell Ria to rush. He gave her time to try. When one towel looked uneven, they opened it and folded it again calmly. Later, Farhan helped carry the light basket to the shelf. He asked first where it belonged. His mother pointed to the low shelf. Farhan placed it there carefully. That evening, Farhan could find his blue socks without searching through a large pile. He also saw that helping at home does not mean doing every job. It can mean choosing one safe, useful task and finishing it thoughtfully. Caregivers can invite children to sort only clean, dry, lightweight clothes in a clear safe space, while adults handle appliances, products, and difficult folding. The takeaway is simple: sort one kind at a time, match carefully, and ask for help when you need it. The next day, Farhan used the same plan after changing into play clothes. He put his clean t-shirt in the shirt group, his shorts in the shorts group, and his socks beside their matching pair. He noticed that doing a small job soon was easier than waiting for a larger pile. When he found a grown-up shirt, he left it neatly for an adult rather than trying to fold it. Farhan checked the mat once more, carried only a light basket, and returned it to the low shelf. His room felt calm because every small group had a place. Farhan said, "I do not have to do everything. I can do one safe, helpful step." At bedtime, Farhan told his father about the missing orange sock. His father suggested keeping the fin litter basket in one clear place. 2 days later, the other orange sock appeared beside a clean towel. Farhan matched the pair and smiled. Careful sorting helped him find what he needed without rushing.